WR Guitar and I'm Will. In this video today I'm going to be teaching you how to play the riff from the brand new single by Billy Talent called Reckless Paradise. If you like what I'm doing in this video, then make sure you subscribe to this channel at the end of the tutorial so you can see more videos from me on a weekly basis. Now, without further ado, let's get learning. Okay, so starting with the first section then, we're going to start with 2 open drop Ds. We're then going to use our first finger on the 3rd fret and we're going to slide up to the 5th fret. So that's 2 Ds and then a 3rd fret, 5th fret slide. Our little finger's then going to go to the 8th fret of the A and we're going to pull off to the 5th fret of the A. So that's 8th fret A with our little finger pulling off to the 5th fret of the A. We're then going to roll down to the 5th fret of the D. So this is the whole first section in slow-mo. Okay, so for the second section we're going to go to the 8th fret of the drop D for 2 picks. We're then going to slide up from the 10th fret to the 12th fret with our 3rd finger. So we've got 2 picks on the 8th fret, then we've got a 10-12 slide with our 3rd finger. Our first finger is then going to jump to the 7th fret of the drop D and we're going to slide to the 8th fret. We're then going to roll down to the 8th fret on the A. So this is the whole second section in slow-mo. So in total, we do this section 3 times. Okay, so on the final time then, we do the same start. And this is where we change it up. We go 8th fret on the drop D, 10-12 slide. We then roll down to the 12th fret on the A and we do a 12-10 pull off, 3rd to 1st finger. Our little finger goes to the 13th fret of the A and then we jump to the 8th fret of the A with our 1st finger. So that's 2 picks on the drop D, 8th fret, a 10-12 slide, and then we do a 12-10 pull off on the A to the 13th fret with our little finger, and then we finish on the 8th fret of the A. There we have it, that was the main riff from Reckless Paradise by Billy Talent. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial today. If you've got any questions at all, then please put them in the comment box or find me on WR Guitar on Instagram. So, till next time, see you later.